first run of the day.
Let's do it.
Let's see how the new work feels. Okay.
Very sweepy. Nice.
New track. Whoa.
Very tight there.
Let's go. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god, that's sketchy.
Whoa, that's harder than I thought.
Careful, careful. Oh my god, don't flick it like that. Holy shit. Wow.
First gear.
That's ridiculous. Woo.
Feels good.
Yeah, feels really good.
Woo. A little messy, but hey, for a first run, yeah.
Not bad.